Health Funders Association and 36 medical schemes referred the case to the Competition Tribunal. The association and others alleged that the excessive price hikes caused medical schemes to suffer harm. They also intend to approach the High Court for damages claim. They feel that the laboratories in question are guilty of excessive pricing of the PCR COVID-19 tests. But laboratory Ampath denies these allegations and says the Competition Commission's conclusion on this matter is not based on all facts. Ampath also wants the case dismissed.
The difficulty, Chair, with respect is that the Commission doesn't really put up facts. The fact that the Commission puts up is 850 Rand, and it puts up that there is now an agreement for 500 Rand. The rest of it...
Are those not facts?
Those are the only two facts. You charge this and you're agreeing to charge this now. That is it. The rest is all conclusionary statements, but we don't know what underlies it. We don't know what the price was.
But the Health Funders Association says this case must be heard. The association says this will give the laboratories an opportunity to prove that they were not in the wrong during that period of the pandemic.
There is the fact that they were charging 850. There is the fact that they agreed to it at 500. If they are going to say at 500, even though they agreed to it, they were not profitable, those are facts that they can traverse. They can put that up. If they're saying the Commission was wrong in saying that our costs decreased, they can put that up. The Commission was wrong in saying that our profitability increased, particularly and especially in 2021. Those are facts that they can put up. We can't put up those facts.
But Pathcare says it is not fair that it had to be dragged before the tribunal on a vague and embarrassing allegation.
And we would submit that it is not fair in these types of proceedings to expect us to answer a vague allegation like that. It is perfectly
Why can't you just deny it? If there's a general and vague allegation without specifics, why can't you say, we deny, and you have to prove that?
Mr. Butland, of course, that's the answer that is often given in vague and embarrassing exceptions. All that the party needs to do is to deny.
Meanwhile, Lancet says it was coerced to reduce the prices of the test on urgent basis at that time. It says it had never agreed to the Commission's price reduction.
My client concluded a consent agreement on an urgent basis to give effect to price reductions without delay, given the current rising numbers of COVID-19 Omicron infections and the consequent increase in the number of PCR tests. That's page 67. On page 69, in the penultimate paragraph on that page, you see that on the 8th of December 2021, the Commission sent letters of demand to Ampath and Lancet to immediately reduce the cost of COVID-19 PCR tests to no more than 500 Rand, inclusive of VAT, failing which it would launch an urgent application in the tribunal for appropriate relief aimed at the reduction of COVID-19 PCR tests to 500 Rand, inclusive of VAT.
Judgment has been reserved and will be communicated in due course. Nothando Makutulela, SABC News, Johannesburg.